How to create Snapchat account on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can create Snapchat account on Android. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the Snapchat application in your mobile device. If you don't have the application, you can simply install it from the Google Play Store. So once you open it up, you will have an option to sign up. So tap on sign up option and here tap on continue. Now you have to enter your first name and your last name. So type in your first and your last name. Then tap on agree and continue. Then you have to provide your birthday. So from this slide bar right here at the bottom of this interface, select your date of birth and then tap on continue. Here this will be your username. It is provided by default, but if you want to change this username, tap on change my username option, and here now you can change your username according to your preferences. Once you're done changing your username, and if the username is available, then you can tap on continue button at the bottom of the interface. Then here you'll have an option to set your password. So make sure your password is at least 8 characters. So type in your password. Once done, tap on continue. Now at last step, you have to provide your email. Enter your email address or enter your valid email address that you have access to currently right here. And if you want to use your phone number, you can also do that. So simply tap on use phone number instead, and then along with your country code, you have to provide your phone number. Once done, tap on continue, and if you're prompted to verify your account, you may have to verify. If not, your account will be created. And that's the way to create Snapchat account on Android, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.